Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Rocio. In today's video, I'd like to share with you this doily I made last month. I made it with thread 10 and 1.65mm hook. It measures about 15 inches. This pattern has been in my to-do list for almost 10 years, but I was never able to do it because I couldn't find the pattern. I ended up making it following a photo. I made 28 chains and 48 double crochets in each string. And for the corners, I made front post double crochets around the leaves. I plan to undo the 2 last rows and make 1 less chain in the fans because they're a little wavy. This pattern is from a Japanese magazine by the name Ondori. The designer is Yoko Suzuki and the issue is August 2000. In case you're interested in getting the pattern, I was never able to find it. If you get luckier than me, you might be able to find it if you're interested. I might end up making the tutorial if I get enough comments of people interested. And that's it for today. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.